Breaking news. A powerful earthquake has recently struck California, causing panic and fear among residents. The sudden quake has raised concerns about the potential for massive tsunamis to hit the U.S. coast. Rescue teams are working at full capacity to deal with the situation. And there are increasing warnings urging residents to stay away from coastal areas for their safety. California has experienced devastating earthquakes before. But this is one of the most significant environmental challenges it faces. Stay tuned for the latest updates and details on this terrifying event. Important for everyone. If you are in the area, be sure to follow emergency warnings and take immediate precautions.
Oh my God. Earthquake. I feel it. I feel it. Oh my God.